The resilience of home gardens, thriving in challenging times. The resilience of home gardens, thriving in challenging times. The concept of home gardening is not new. Humans have been cultivating plants in their own spaces for centuries. However, recent times have witnessed a resurgence of interest and motivation in home gardening, as people seek reassurance in growing their own food and experiencing the joy of nurturing life. This renewed enthusiasm can be attributed to several factors, including concerns about food security, the desire for sustainability, and the need for mental well-being. Firstly, home gardens have become a source of food security for many individuals and families. With supply chain disruptions and uncertainties regarding the availability and safety of food during challenging times, growing one's own produce offers a sense of control and assurance. Home gardens can provide a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and even grains, reducing dependence on external sources. This not only ensures access to fresh, nutritious food but also encourages healthier eating habits and reduces the carbon footprint associated with long-distance transportation. Moreover, home gardening promotes sustainability by encouraging organic practices and reducing the need for harmful pesticides and fertilizers. By growing plants in a controlled environment, gardeners have the opportunity to adopt sustainable methods such as composting, companion planting, and water conservation. These practices not only benefit the environment but also contribute to the long-term health of the garden and the surrounding ecosystem. Home gardens have the potential to create mini ecosystems, attracting beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife, thus fostering biodiversity even in urban areas. In addition to the practical benefits, home gardens offer a therapeutic escape from the strains and anxieties of everyday life. Gardening has been shown to have numerous mental health benefits, including stress reduction, improved mood, and increased self-esteem. The act of tending to plants, experiencing the growth cycle, and witnessing the beauty of nature can provide solace and a much-needed respite from the challenges of the outside world. Furthermore, the physical activity involved in gardening promotes overall well-being and can be a rewarding form of exercise. The resilience of home gardens lies not only in their ability to provide sustenance and mental well-being but also in their adaptability to different circumstances and limitations. Whether one has limited space in an urban apartment or an expansive yard, home gardening can be tailored to suit individual needs and resources. Container gardening, vertical gardening, and hydroponics are just a few examples of innovative techniques that enable individuals to grow plants even in limited spaces. In times of limited mobility and social distancing, home gardens have also served as a means of social connection and community building. Online gardening communities, seed exchanges, and virtual workshops have provided a platform for gardeners to share knowledge, support each other, and foster a sense of belonging. From providing access to affordable seeds and resources to offering educational programs and incentives, these entities have played a crucial role in nurturing the growth of home gardens. By creating a supportive ecosystem, individuals are encouraged to embark on their gardening journey, regardless of their previous experience or expertise. As we navigate an increasingly uncertain and changing world, the resilience of home gardens stands as a testament to the resilience of human beings. In the face of challenges, individuals have sought solace, sustenance, and a means of self-sufficiency in cultivating their own spaces. By harnessing the power of nature and reconnecting with the earth, home gardens not only provide tangible benefits but also remind us of our innate connection to the natural world. Whether it is a windowsill filled with herbs or a backyard transformed into a thriving, edible landscape, home gardens have proven to be a source of comfort, empowerment, and inspiration. As we embrace the resilience of home gardens, let us continue to nurture these spaces and celebrate the remarkable potential they hold in thriving, even in the most challenging times. The resilience of home gardens is truly remarkable, as they have proven to thrive in the most challenging times. Whether it be uncertain food supplies, concerns about sustainability, or the need for mental well-being, home gardens continue to offer a multitude of benefits. One of the key advantages of home gardens is their ability to provide food security. With disruptions in the supply chain and uncertainties about the availability and safety of store-bought food, growing one's own produce offers a sense of control and assurance. Home gardens can provide a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and even grains, ensuring access to fresh and nutritious food. This not only promotes healthier eating habits but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with long-distance transportation. In addition to food security, home gardening promotes sustainability. By encouraging organic practices and reducing the need for harmful pesticides and fertilizers, home gardeners contribute to a healthier environment. Sustainable methods such as composting, companion planting, and water conservation can be easily adopted in home gardens. Moreover, home gardens can create mini ecosystems that attract beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife, promoting biodiversity even in urban areas. Apart from the practical advantages, home gardens offer a therapeutic escape from the stresses of everyday life. Gardening has been proven to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost self-esteem. Tending to plants, witnessing their growth cycle, and immersing oneself in the beauty of nature can provide solace and respite from the challenges of the outside world. Furthermore, the physical activity involved in gardening contributes to overall well-being and can serve as a rewarding form of exercise. Home gardens are also incredibly adaptable, making them resilient in different circumstances and limitations. Regardless of limited spaces in urban apartments or vast yards in suburban areas, home gardening can be tailored to suit individual needs and resources. Techniques such as container gardening, vertical gardening, and hydroponics have enabled individuals to grow plants even with limited space. These innovative approaches have proven especially valuable during times of limited mobility and social distancing, as home gardens have served as a means of social connection and community building. Online gardening communities, seed exchanges, and virtual workshops have facilitated knowledge sharing, support, and a sense of belonging among gardeners. The resilience of home gardens owes much to the efforts of various organizations, educational institutes, and governments that have actively promoted and supported home gardening initiatives. By providing access to affordable seeds and resources, offering educational programs, and implementing incentives, these entities have played a crucial role in nurturing the growth of home gardens. The creation of a supportive ecosystem encourages individuals to embark on their gardening journey, regardless of their previous experience or expertise. As the world continues to navigate uncertain and changing times, the resilience of home gardens serves as a testament to the resilience of human beings. In these challenging periods, individuals have sought comfort, sustenance, and self-sufficiency by cultivating their own spaces. By harnessing the power of nature and reconnecting with the earth, home gardens not only provide tangible benefits but also remind us of our innate connection to the natural world. Whether it be a windowsill adorned with herbs or a backyard transformed into an edible landscape, home gardens have proven to be a source of comfort, empowerment, and inspiration. It is important to continue nurturing these spaces and celebrating the remarkable potential they hold, allowing them to thrive even in the most challenging times. Home gardens have truly showcased their resilience amidst uncertain and challenging times. They have become more than just areas for cultivation, they symbolize the human spirit and our ability to adapt and thrive. The practice of home gardening is not a new concept. For centuries, humans have cultivated plants in their own spaces.